Welcome back to our channel, and today, sorry I didn't mean to hurt you. Here's Joy. And today we're gonna be playing with slime. This way you can be a slime ASMR video. So yeah, because we made a previous video just now, and I might sound like a little down. I am a little down because we made a video and it was a total fail. So, but now we're gonna make a video on this.
Does this have what in that?
Yeah. What is this? Oh, I know this one.
It's a good song. Did you do it in, did you put that in this?
No, that's definitely not going in there. Okay, so you can put it any time. Just poke it for now, because I don't want it to be sticky.
This kind of looks like...
So, guys, I think I'm going to change color on this one. You can play with whatever you want. You can actually... Oh, where's that slime? Oh, it's probably in the garbage. There's a slime behind me. That purple one that was on the table, I don't know that one. That one, you should play with that one. That one's better.
This one?
Yeah, because it's not that sticky. Alright, guys, so I think I'm going to add some color to this one. So,
This is fun.
that's way too much.
Green.
Here, look.
That kind of looks like
Oh, I got it on the table.
what is it?
I'm trying to make it like a mint green, but I don't want this turning into like a brown. That's probably what it's gonna turn into.
A brown.
Yeah. Because I was trying to go for a brown in the last video that I tried to make. But you guys
you did. Ooh.
This is like okay, I guess.
What's in here? Oh no. Oh, so good. The oven beeped.
So we're gonna draw a smiley face. But oh, the smiley face is crying. Don't cry. Guys, I don't really like this.
It's gone. Well, it turned into a green.
It turned into a green, but it's not. I want it to be like a happy green. This green is like a gunk, sad green. Oh, that was way too much. Again, but this was like even more. I don't think I need any more now because I added.
It's so much that it stained your hand. Well, it didn't stain your hand.
No, it touched my hand.
Oh, it touched your hand.
Yeah, I want to make it some mint green.
Mint green, like this green?
No, that's not a mint green. Like how I had when I was mixing.
I know what kind of green.
Okay, this is not going to turn into a mint green.
Mommy, this slime is so soft.
Okay, this is the best I can make it too because then it's going to get dark. So this is the color this slime is.
Oh, that's pretty.
Because I didn't like the pink.
That's kind of minty, though.
Okay. Because I've had all these slimes for a while. So we're like kind of like recreating it. So where's the bucket? I'm going to change the color. I just did. You can play with this one now that it's better. So I'm going to change this one. This one is a blue. I'm going to add, no, don't fix that. That one's sticky. So I'm going to add some lotion to this.
Is this sticky?
I don't think so. Lots of butter slimes get sticky so easily, so you have to be careful about like how much you
This is pretty
add.
much butter slime. Is it butter slime?
Yeah, all of these are butter slimes.
Yeah, because of that.
Yeah, I was gonna add some when I was making a video, but it didn't turn out good, so I didn't add it.
It wasn't activating.
Yeah, I wasn't activating, so I didn't want to post that. I'll pick it up.
What was it? Okay. That was the remote.
Yeah, what'd you think it was?
Wait. First you need to put... Okay.
What? Do what?
put the things back in.
What?
Like
The batteries?
yeah, push it in.
They're already in.
What is that? Netflix? Oh, okay. Whatever it is, something happened.
It's on like a YouTube or something.
Maybe YouTube. Yeah.
Okay, guys. What?
Oh, it's Netflix.
I think I'm gonna change it to
Oh, wait, it's YouTube.
red.
Oh.
Okay. Ugh. Okay, there we go. This red looks good. Gotcha. Hi, gotcha. No! So loud. I have nowhere to scare. I don't know why you get scared. There's nothing to be afraid of. Okay.
Ooh.
Okay,
This is kind of like, not kind of say it, but like, not.
Okay, so this turned out to be a purple. I had a feeling it would be a purple. It's a pretty purple. I like it.
Blue and red make purple. So duh, it's gonna turn into a purple.
Yeah. Okay. This is a pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
That's a pretty one. I'm gonna keep it. I like it.
But what about this? Oh wait, no, it's gonna mix.
It's gonna mix. It's okay.
Yeah. It's gonna.
I'm supposed to get this all in.
You're just gonna mix.
Okay.
Mix.
Okay.
Mix.
Now we're gonna go with the Big Mama.
Can we do this? No?
Yeah.
Oh.
This one's so big, guys.
The Big Mama.
This one is so big. This one is a sticky one. This is why I don't let Joy play with this one because it's sticky and it gets all over her hands. She doesn't know how to play with slime because her hands are so warm. It's gonna melt on her.
Now back to the.
This needs more Daiso clay.
So then add.
Nah, I don't want to. I don't think it needs. No, because then it's gonna get harder. No, it's gonna get softer. That's what it's gonna get, and I don't want it to be that soft. I can't get any more out, but what color should I add?
How much did you get?
What? Huh?
How much did you get?
I got 10 boxes. How much? I'm at like 6 boxes. I've used so much. How much? I don't know how much. I don't think. Should I add a yellow?
I don't know.
Let's see what we get from here.
Okay.
Let's see what color we get.
But when you put it in, it's orange, but it's actually yellow.
Okay, we have to put a lot in because the slime is big.
Careful. Okay. I feel like it's gonna turn into brownish.
Nah. Okay. Oh wow, this needs a lot more. Okay, what color? This is like a peach, maybe?
A peach.
Oh, this needs to be mixed. This is like not mixing. Okay, this is like a bread color.
Told you.
You never said it was gonna be bread color.
Well, it's kind of brownish though.
This is not. I said bread, not brown. This is not a brown color. It's not brownish at all.
Kind of is, but whatever.
Okay, this needs. Okay, I think it's good, but I think it needs like. I'm gonna see. Yeah, it's like a bread color.
I don't like it, but you like it.
Cause I need more yellow. That's why I need to add a lot more yellow. I added so much yellow, and I still need a lot.
That is so cool.
Okay. You should have seen how much I added, Joy. Look how much I'm down to. I added so much.
You add so much, and then you're done to that. You put foam beads in here?
Sorry, that's getting all over your hands.
But did you put foam beads in here?
It's getting all over your hands.
But did you put foam beads in here?
It's getting all over your hands.
Jayla, did you put foam beads in here?
Okay, this is like a corn color. No, I didn't. I don't think so. I can't
Because
remember
I feel
what
like
the original slime was.
because I feel like
Oh, I remember what this one. This one was an itty bitty slime, and now it's remember that red glitter one.
oh yeah,
It had the little chunk things in it.
Oh yeah.
This is what it is. This is what it is right now.
How to get bigger?
I added not butter slime. I added
That?
yeah. Okay, I like this color. It's like a
Our
gold.
food's almost ready, Jayla.
Mommy, is our food almost ready?
We gotta get cleaning.
So, bitches, we're done though. So
Yeah.
it's okay.
Because our tacos aren't done.
We're done anyways. Even if they weren't. Oh, this is so sticky.
Okay. Jayla. There you go.
Joy's excited to get those tacos. She loves tacos. I don't even know. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna close out today's video. I'm like losing my voice here and there. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really short, I know, but get to work with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Wait, right? Like, comment, share. Like, comment, yeah. I haven't done this in a while. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye.